10 Best Passive Income Ideas for 2020. How to Make Money Online. Getting passive income is a reality, and the true benefit of doing so is that you're always the person in complete control over this. You know what to do and how to do it, not to mention that you can make money on the back burner without a problem. With that in mind, here you have some of the 10 best methods you can use to earn passive income right now. Affiliate blogs. There's plenty of money to get on the back burner, but for some reason nothing is as good and as reliable as earning money from affiliate blogs. This is a very good income source and one that works amazingly well. Find the best affiliate providers and the results will definitely shine because of that. Creating an autoresponder list. Creating a site that offers an autoresponder which leads people to a landing page is a stellar way to make money, and since you can send mail or messages back to subscribers, you can make good money without effort. Peer-to-peer lending. Lending money over the web to people that can't get credit any other way is a good idea, but the issue is that you do need to find a good method of getting that cash back, as it can be risky. Sell advertising. It's the more popular way to make money online, and it does involve having good traffic and a very interesting site, but if you have that, it's well worth it. Network marketing. Harnessing the power of your network to sign up people who sell the product is a good way to make money online. However, it can be very hard to do so without good knowledge. Sell an information product. Usually this comes in the form of a video, software, audiobook, or a regular book. Whatever you can use to strive the interest and make people try your product is what you should use here, that's for sure. Article sponsors. Many companies tend to pay you good money if you publish articles about or for them. Find a good way to reach these companies if you have a popular site, and they'll surely want some exposure. Arbitrage Service. Being the middleman online between two organizations or people is common. You can make good money from this, to be honest. It all comes down to the dedication you have, but the results can be amazing. Sell commercial products online. Either create your own e-commerce site or use a platform like Shopify. Either one will work without a problem. You just need to have a steady stream of products that you can sell. A membership community. Doing this will help you earn money from the current subscribers. You can pay others to write the content if you want it to be truly passive. Yes, there are quite a lot of methods you can use to earn passive income. It all comes down to the dedication you have towards this idea, but the money you can make is very good, and you are the one to choose what option to pursue.